sweep, mop, and dry at the same time. Meet Hizero F803 All-in-One Bionic Hard Floor Cleaner. No suction required. Its polymer roller can pick up all the solid and liquid waste. Effortless with motorized forward motion. Yes, it can move forward by itself to clean. In addition, it protects your floor by minimizing the amount of water. Alright, let's have a closer look now. All the stuff are nicely packed and protected. Rest assured that your Hizero will arrive at your doorstep in perfect condition. By the way, my units was from Visionary Solutions, Malaysia's sole distributor for Hizero products. As usual, take your time to unbox them. Let's have a look at the included accessory first. Meet the polymer roller that can clean both wet and dry messes with ease. Soft and absorbent that works on any hard floor and not scratch it. The brush roller separates solid waste from the liquid into the trash container. And here is the trash container that stores all the solid waste. It can store 200 ml of liquid waste. The clean water tank with 500 ml capacity, good enough to cover 50 square meter floor, and it can last for around 10 minutes. The dirty water tank with 500 ml capacity as well. It is loaded with intelligent water level monitor. The power adapter with UK plug, worldwide support with 24 watt power output. Specially formulated cleaning solution, Hizero Hygiene Clean, can protect your floor and kill germs too. 3 extra comb filters for spare. A cleaning brush to clean the trash container, cleaner head, and so on. The base dock lets you store Hizero cleaner. Store other stuff like the polymer roller and brush roller, and other smaller stuff like clean solution and cleaning brush. Lastly, here is the very detailed user manual. As usual, take your time to go through it. Learn how to assemble, operate, maintain, and clean. Alright, let's check out Hizero F803 itself now. Excellent build quality indeed. Stylish in design too. This is the cleaning head that contains most of the stuff. Just a single click of the button to open the cover. The trash container is located there. The same applies to the brush roller. At the bottom, there is a part that lets you install the polymer roller. 4 wheels in total, 2 big ones and another 2 smaller ones. Install the polymer roller once you are ready. Here is the lower body with a lovely long LED status light indicator. Flexible and rotatable head to ease cleaning, or put it in lock mode when not in use. The dirty and clean water tanks are located at the back of the lower body. As usual, you can remove them with just click of a button, and not to worry if you found some water there. Hizero tested your unit like mine before ship them out. This is the removable battery, pre-installed for you. And here is the AC charging port with cover. Be sure to close it when not charging. Check out the upper body, the handle. The on-off power button, mode button, and all status indicators are located there. Have a closer look at the control panel. All the info you need is there. Here are some of the information that you might want to know. And the screw to lock the upper and lower body together. Alright, let's connect them now. Lock the screw after that, that's all. Oh, before starting to use, you need to immerse the polymer roller in the water until soft. Around 5 minutes and need to do so once only. Alright, let's fill up the water. Put some cleaning solution and start the cleaning. Place 1 foot on the cleaning head and then gently pull back the handle to unlock. And start your cleaning task. Of course, you need to press the power button first. it will start to operate in mode 1 with standard water flow. Just press the mode button to change to mode 2, which has higher water flow for heavy cleaning. Unlike vacuum cleaner, it does not have suction speed control as it does not need one. Finally, power off when done. Effortless with motorized forward motion. It does not require much effort when using it. As you can see, no hands here. And it will continue to move forward and do the cleaning task for you. Basically, your only task is doing the navigation. Control the direction of Hizero. That's it. By the way, this robot type of cleaning is suitable in a large open area where not many obstacles around. For normal cleaning style, you need to hold the ergonomic design handle and let Hizero move forward by itself. Pull it back and change another direction. And repeat that. Yes, it is easy to control and navigate Hizero. Thanks to the flexible cleaning head and streamlined design, you can clean tight spaces with ease. As long as it fits the cleaning head width, you are good to go. And the handle can go very low as well. No worry about falling down after mopping the floor again. The traditional mop will leave excessive water after cleaning, as you can see. Hizero does not. It won't leave stray or excessive water on your floor. That's great for timber flooring. And no worry about scratches too, thanks to soft polymer roller. Clean anywhere, anytime, all thanks to the Cordless Design. No need to worry about the length of the wire. Just focus on the cleaning task will do. Furthermore, you can carry Hizero easily too. Going upstairs or coming down is piece of cake. Blue status light on normal working mode. Solid red when an error occurs. Yes, Hizero will stop operate immediately thanks to the automatically protection system. The control panel will give you the information on what went wrong then. Fix it and you are ready to clean again. On actual usage, Hizero can clean at least 200 square meters thoroughly with several spot cleaning here and there. It can cover whole ground floor of my double-story semi-D and few room on the first floor. That's based on 1 hour battery runtime. And it requires around 3 to 4 hours to fully charge. Oh, by the way, the battery status light will turn solid red when reach 50% battery life. Hizero is one of the quietest cordless cleaners I have ever used. It is getting around 62 dBA only, much quieter than other vacuums in the market, no doubt. Hizero performs very well on daily cleaning. Here is the stuff after clean the ground floor. As you can see, all the dust and hair collected separated in the trash container. Some hair will be tangled on the brush roller by the way, and dirty water in the dirty water tank. In short, Hizero F803 can clean both dry and wet stuff easily. Sweep and mops in one motion. 50 square meters of floor cleaning yet only consume 500 ml of water. Furthermore, no suction is required. Its polymer roller picks up all the solid and liquid waste. Thus is turned into dirty water. For your information, Hizero is loaded with automatically cleaning. The polymer roller is constantly cleaned with fresh water. In short, it cleans the floor and itself at the same time. And it helps to reduce the risk of the floor being scratched thanks to its polymer roller too. Hizero is not a vacuum cleaner. All the solid waste are stored in trash container and dust in dirty water tank. No dust or air is emitted. No need for HEPA filters too. In short, it can pick up both solids, liquids and dust. or without the need for suction, like a vacuum cleaner. It is easy to clean and maintain Hizero. Use the automatically self-cleaning for polymer roller. Clean it like this with mode 2 water flow. Clean the water tank with water. Throw away all the dirty stuff from the trash container. Then wash it with water if needed. Take out the comb filter and clean it with water. You need to clean the brush roller from time to time. It can be cleaned with water as well. As for the metal grate, it needs to be cleaned on a weekly basis. As usual, clean it with water will do. Well, that's pretty much cover everything of this all-in-one cleaning solution from Hizero. Sweep and mops at the same time. Effortless with motorized forward motion. Yes, cleaning will never be the same again. By the way, don't forget its 2 years worry-free warranty too. Interested? Do get yours with the link below. It will help me a lot. Thanks. I'm Jace. Glad to see you around. Peace.